that he wants me dead hasn't yet hit my radar. See, I was halfway across town, hungover, and thinking about breakfast. Egg, bacon, American cheese, soft, toasted, buttered roll. Just a dash of hot sauce.
Not too much, Sal. I want to taste that cheese.
What a way to start my new life. With the perfect egg sandwich.
My hands just won't.
You're a lifesaver, Sal.
I love you, baby.
And I'm good for the 75 cents, okay? I promise. That's all the money I got in the world, and it's so worth it.
I don't know if it's the stray Armenian arm hair or the fact that his cheese slices are always 6 months out of date, but no one makes an egg sandwich like Sal.
I mean it, Sal. No one.
Deeper and deeper in love with you, I'm falling. Sweeter and sweeter, your tender words of love keep calling. Eager and eager.
Hey! Gotham PD!
Yeah, I don't think so.
Are you fucking kidding me?
It had been 6 short hours since my little stun at Ace Chemicals announced to the world that Mr. J and I were donezo. The immunity I'd enjoyed for so long was gone. Cops who never would have dared come after me before were suddenly doing this. And what's worse, every person I ever wronged now felt free to come and take their pound of flesh. Turns out, I wronged a lot of people.
Finally.
And then, we're gonna get through this, okay? Tragedy struck. It took losing something I truly love for me to see that the target on my back was bigger than I thought.
Freeze!
With the walls closing in around me, I made a carefully calculated, highly strategic move. Fine. It was dumb luck, but still, that felt pretty great.